The IG380SD has a swing capacity of 40 inches and accepts a maximum part height of 11 inches. The conversational program control is easy to use. The machine grinds large parts or batches of parts. The 36-inch diameter variable speed rotary electromagnetic chuck has magnetic pole spacing of 3/4 of an inch and 1/2 inch deep for long service life. For grinding to close thickness tolerances, the Servo Drive Z-axis has a fine feed resolution of 1/10,000th of an inch. The thorough DCM DMAG control cycle can eliminate subsequent DMAG operations for ferromagnetic parts with high magnetic induction characteristics. The IG380SD accepts 20-inch diameter 2A 2T style super abrasive grinding wheels and conventional abrasives. The 30 horsepower variable speed spindle motor broadens grinding wheel performance. Both aggressive stock removal and smooth surface finish can be achieved with the same wheel by varying the spindle speed. Machine features include a ported table spindle to provide pneumatic, hydraulic, or vacuum drive to actuate custom tabletop fixturing. The IG380SD work envelope is fully enclosed with an integral mist collection system. The full enclosure contributes to a cleaner work environment and safeguards operator health and safety. To maintain clean coolant, abrasive longevity, and surface finish consistency, the 50-gallon tank with advanced coolant filtration supplies aggressive coolant flow. Electrical requirements for the IG380SD are 460-volt, 30-amp, 3-phase power. Check with a DCM technical specialist for proper facility requirements. DCM accepts customer samples for test grinding and welcomes you to the DCM factory in Winona, Minnesota for a tour and machine demonstration. Call 1-800-533-5339 today.